Okay, so today I'm going to check presidio research. This is a package features data science related tasks for developing new recognizer for presidio. So presidio is the open source library for from Microsoft. Um, this is used to do the context-aware pluggable customizable data protection and de-identification SDK for text and images. Yeah, so it can do images anonymization or de-identification. Okay, so here actually I created a Conda environment. So by create this presidio Conda environment, please be noted the Python version should be greater than 3.9. Okay, here I use 3.12, and after that I just use pip install. I already downloaded the presidio. I downloaded presidio research. I use git clone. Okay, and then I use pip install. I pip install the yeah, I use this editable pip install, and then I install the Jupyter notebook, and the okay. So I'm gonna run this this thing called evaluate spaCy models. So this one is in notebooks models folder. Okay, let's check the folder. Okay, it's here, and so I want to do some benchmark. Okay, so let's check here. Actually, okay, so it is from here. So PII models evaluation. So the presidio-evaluator framework allows you to evaluate presidio as a system, NER model, or a specific PII recognizer for precision and recall and error analysis. So if you click this, yeah, it'll go here, and now let's just run this cell. Okay, so click. So okay, so Flair is not installed by default. Okay, so Flair, what is Flair? Actually, okay, see, I see here, Flair model is evaluate Flair models. What is Flair model for personal names, org, and locations? Let me do a quick search. Flair model. Okay, so this is a Flair model. So Flair model is a very simple framework for state-of-the-art natural language processing. Okay, so it's open sourced by Flair NLP. Okay, actually, okay, so let's see. So this is developed by okay and friends. Okay, so Flair is a very powerful NLP library, a text embedding library. Okay, so how to install it? Okay, so there's a so you can use pip install. Let's try this. Let's try pip install. Okay. Okay, so let's use this pip install Flair. Now just let it run. Oh, it will download the Touch 2.4.0. So there are multiple state-of-art models. So it has English, German, Dutch, and Spanish. And the best published, this is I guess this is 40. What is this column? Is this F1 score or what is this? I don't know. Okay, you can see around the NER over sentence. I see. So Berlin is the location. Detect the sentiment. Okay. This seems very good. Yeah, it has 13,000 stars. Very good. Yeah, let's go back to check. Okay, so this is still installing Touch 2.4. Okay, so Hugging Face Model Hub. So NER, okay. So this is an NER model. Okay, now it's trying to install Triton. It takes a lot of time. Okay, let's. I think because we are evaluating spaCy, so I don't think Flair is required, right? Okay, so maybe we can just run the next cell. Okay, so it's trying to download this model EN Core Web SM, and it prints the length of data set. There's 1,500 items in this data set. And the next run, okay, and run again, run the next one, and then the next one. Okay, so this print count per entity, and the most common. Okay, so the most common one I think is the O, and this is count, and the street address. This is 3,000. This is 19,000. Okay, so the entity. So what does O mean? O is the name of an entity, right? So the O street address person. An example of a sentence is full text is, what are my options? Space token. What are my options? Okay, I think O here means just the normal token. Means it is not detected as some special NER token. Okay, then run the next one, the model. we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if needed, install model using Python space download, where X is model name, or use spaCy client download. Okay, and run evaluation on all models. Okay, so this one will get experiment tracker and then load the model. Okay, so it will loop through the models and then run spaCy model, then evaluator, and it got evaluator, and then calculate the scores. Okay, let's run it. Okay, so it's evaluating, and then it calculates the confusion matrix, and it calculates the precision and the recall. Okay, let's run another one, spaCy model. Okay, so cannot find a model, this TRFEN core web. Okay, I think I need to run this, right? Just like what he said. I think let me run this model. Dot. How to, let me cut from here. Oh, no. How to split from here? Can I split the model? Split the cell? Okay. So let's split some. Okay. Let's say let's comment out this and try to run this. I think this should install the EN core web TRF model. So it will take some time. It will take 3 minutes because it's 457 megabyte. Okay, so let's wait. While let's go back here. Okay, so the Flair model has been installed. Model this cell. So evaluate Flair models for personal name. Okay, let's run the first one. Okay, pip install Flairs. We already installed it, and then run the next one. Okay, so select data for evaluation. Okay, tokenizing input, and run this. Okay, so it's doing the similar thing like a spaCy model script, that notebook. Okay, let's go again. Run evaluation on all models. Okay, so if I run this cell, so it will run all models. So there are, let me see how many models in total. Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. Flair, NER fast, Flair, Ontonodes. Okay, fast and Flair Ontonodes large. Okay, I will hold on here and go back to, so you can load this package. Restart to node depends. Okay, so this is done, right? So this is done. That means I have installed this core web TRF model. Let's continue to run this model evaluation for spaCy. Okay, then we can see some output, and okay, so there's something wrong. Cannot find a factory for curated transformer. So this usually happens when spaCy call this. And also we can see here, I get some result. Okay, so this is I think this is from EN Okay, this is the model name is EN Core Web SM. And how about this one? Okay, this one, the model name is Core Web LG. Okay, that means the last seems there's some issue with the last one. The model. The last one is model TRF. This one seems this one has some issue. Although I already downloaded, download and install download and installation successful. You can now download the package. Okay, maybe I haven't loaded the package. Yeah, so why we got this error evaluating this TRF model when evaluating model EN Core Web TRF? Why we got this? Cannot find a factory. I think that probably by default this was disabled. This was not included. Yeah. Okay. Now let's just ignore this. Ignore this model. Let's run this, and then run this. So the evaluation actually is pretty fast. Okay, and this evaluation is also fast. You see this precision and recall, and the PII F1 score 77, and this one is 82. This one is 82. Seems the second one is better. And let's call custom evaluation. How about this? Space load. What is this? spaCy FT100. Okay. Don't know what is this. There's some seems no definition. Okay. Anyway, let's skip this cell and as it is, and then run the result analysis. So the sentence is I'm Taiwanese, but I live in Cambodia. Okay. And predict, so you get NORP and then GPE. Okay, so this Taiwanese is NORP and this Cambodia is GPE, and then you run this error. Okay, so let's check what is the false positives. False positive, let's run this. Okay, better examples. And then let's run the FPSDF. Okay, from here we can see get FPS data frame, GPE, token. Okay, actually we can run this and run this again. False negative examples. Okay, and for false negative, and okay, this false negative example. The token false negative, and print all errors. Yeah, so that's all for spaCy model. Okay, so from here we can see the F1 score is the best model. The F1 score is 82.42%. Okay, let's go back to these Flair models. Okay, Flair models, we have all the models defined here. We can run evaluation on all models. Okay. Okay, seems it will download the model's data file. And then after that, yeah, so it will run predict. Let's just run this. Okay, let's take a look at this. What is inside this for loop? Evaluating model name, get experiment tracker, Flair model. Okay, so the evaluate all copy this data set. Okay, now it's running. Flair model. Okay, confusion matrix and precision recall. This F1 score is 81. That is not bad. Okay. And this model is NER English. Okay. And this one NER English fast. This seems fast. So this took 11 seconds, but I feel it's much longer than that. Okay, so this evaluating. Okay, so because it is fast, so the performance is a little bit worse. So it only 79.45%. So a little bit less than this 81.68%. Okay, so the next one is English on-tone notes. Fast seems this is a fine-tuned model. Let me go back to Flair. Let's go to Hugging Face to check. So from Hugging Face we can see English. Okay, I think is this right? So English. This is a nudge. Okay, I'm not sure if this. Oh, okay, this is a fast. This is not nudge. Okay, so this is NER English on-tone notes fast. So this is the fast version of the 18 class NER model for English that ships with Flair. Product predicts 18 tags, cardinal dates, cardinal value, building name, and the geopolitical entity, and like ordinary number. Okay, I think O means ordinary number, ordinary value. So okay, and so this is NORP means affiliation. Okay, so this is the definition. So this F1 score is 89 on this autonomous data set. Okay, let's see what is the last one. Okay, the last one is okay, autonomous nudge. I think autonomous nudge will be better even. Let's go back. I think autonomous nudge. So this okay, this F1 score is 90.98. Actually I can so download last month. This is very popular seems, because if I run compute, model is loading. Actually there's a paper, Flair's paper, FLERT document level features. View paper page. Document level features for named entity recognition. Okay, so this one is an old paper. Okay. It still use LSTM-CRF, namely fine tuning and feature-based LSTM-CRF. Okay, let's continue. Let's go back to check. Okay, so this is done. This fuzzy is done. Oh, this PII F1 mail is not. It's only 73. This is worst of the three, right? So far, the best is the first one. And just I think the first one is NER, Flair NER. Okay. Yeah, that will be a problem. And let's go to check this. This one is a Stanza model. So this is another model. Let's run it first. Stanza model NLP. Okay, so what is Stanza? Actually, Stanza is a Python package, a Python NLP package for many human language. That is developed by Stanford NLP. And about okay, it supports more than 70 languages. So we need to install pip install Stanza. Let's go here. Let's go back to the terminal to install Stanza. Okay, seems pretty fast. Okay, and the biomedical model covers the biomedical and the clinical syntactic analysis. Okay, and how about the models? We cover the list of supported human languages and models that are available for download in a Stanford. Okay, what does the mean? The problem. Okay, available model language. Other available models for tokenizer and Myanmar and Sindhi and Thai. So you support this language. Thai. Okay, you support some Asian language. Interesting. Okay, let's go here. So it's done. The run this tokenizer. You will use tokenizer to tokenize the import. And this is the same like before, like the other. Yeah, it's still the same for the other model, and the models equal EN. Okay, so there's only one model, that is English model, and then let's run it. Okay, so space name spaCy stanza is not defined. Where? Okay, 9, number 6, and number 6 this one. Model. Okay, presidio. What does this? How to fix this? It's not defined. Okay. Okay, so that means we need to install this spaCy Stanza and released last year. Previous version of this package were available and spaCy Stanza. Okay, so this is a new version, spaCy Stanza. And let's run this. Install spaCy Stanza. Okay, so it uninstalled the Stanza and installed the spaCy Stanza. Okay, now let's rerun this again. spaCy Stanza is still not defined. Why can't? Oh, I think probably because I'm using this kernel. So, interesting. Okay, let's go back to. Yeah, let's switch gear to go back to this Flair model. Okay, this one is out, and this one is, I think, is the large. Oh, but the performance is not that good, right? The performance for the PII F1 score is only 73.08%. That's not good. Okay, but let's compare it one by one, right? This 5, 1, 2, this 6 entities. Okay, so if you check previous model, if you check the previous model, okay, 6 entities. You see precision for this GPE, and yeah, for this ORP, and for date, the recall is all 0 and precision is none. So I don't know why this get 81. This is so high. Okay, and this one is also not good. For these two, they are all 0 and NaN. But this one, okay, seems better. You see, it gets something. It just gets something. I see. And the PII score is 73, and also this one. Oh, this one is I think okay. This one is 82%. I think this is the best. This is the best. So far, this is the best. And this is the best. This notch model is the best. The second one is this. The on 2 notes fast. This is the second. Is the second one, the second place, and this NER seems to have a decent precision recall for person, but it missed all GPE, ORP, and date. Okay. Let's do some result analysis. Okay. Model error, and we can find error and print this. Okay, so this is the error. So it has 266 rows. Let's compare with the spaCy one. spaCy, it has 100. Okay, and 290, 295. Let's go back to run this. Okay, this score is not defined. I think I will get an error if I run. Yeah, it's not defined. How about here? Get data frame. The score is not defined. Yeah. Most common Flair model error. I think there's something wrong here, but I don't want to run this because I already got the F1 score and yeah, the details of the precision and the record for each entity. Okay, the next one, let's check this Stanza model. Okay, so it's not defined. Why I already installed it? Why it is not defined? Stanza model is not defined. Let me do a research. Stanza not defined. Okay, Stanza model. Okay, actually here load pipeline. Stanza model here. spaCy Stanza. Okay, so import spaCy Stanza. I think. How about I import it here? How about I import it from here? Explicitly run this. Okay, so name is not defined. Let me try this. Run this. Okay. And let's do spaCy Stanza version file. How about run this? Oops. Okay, let's sorry, I need to run this. Okay, actually I already imported it, right? So it should be here. I don't know why it's say not defined. Interesting. Okay, let's switch gear. So I'll maybe I'll restart the kernel later, but now let's switch gear to run this CRF model. CRF means conditional random field model. Okay, and run this. Okay, I need to run this sklearn CRF suite. Okay, let's go here, run this. Okay, that's pretty fast. And then select data for evaluation. No such file. Okay, so it seems we need to do some preparation. Let's check the data. Yeah, we don't have that data. So data will split to train. Okay, we need to prepare for the data. Okay. Notebook template. What is this? Evaluate this. Okay, yeah, it uses this template to train the to evaluate the model. Okay, so here is created data set for training. Okay, I see. Okay, so we need this data set. Okay, so run this and run this data, and okay, no such file or dependency or directory. Okay, seems like we cannot run this. Okay, okay, actually the CRF training using spaCy CRF suite package. Okay, and we can run this. Source data set. Okay, this also have something wrong. How about run this? Okay, let's go here. Evaluate Azure cognitive services for languages to Identify PII using the presidio-evaluator framework. Okay. But do I need any credential? Probably will need, but I don't know. Let's just run the cell. Import the same thing like before. Select the data for evaluation, and okay, we use synthetic dataset v2. Okay, that one we have, and then let's run this boiler template code. Okay, so here I need the alias key, but I don't have the key, so probably I will try to set the key, and then when I have the key, I'll go back here to re-evaluate it. Okay, let's try this. Generate a fake PII data. Yeah, I wonder how to get that like this. Yeah, so let me search this in this project. Okay, seems that seems these two notebook file needed. This I think here it needed. Yeah, but how to get that data? We don't know. Don't know how to get that data. I'm not sure if you can find it here. Data generation. Okay. Data generation. Okay, and also you can see here in the same folder of the Jupyter notebook file, we there are many JSON files generated. This JSON files are the result of the evaluation or benchmarking. And see, how to format this JSON file. Let's see. I use code from reformat code. Okay, yeah, and you can see, okay, this dataset name and the model name, and then you can see the metrics. So this is PII-F1. Oh, this is PII-F1. I'm not sure how this PII-F1 is calculated. And this is the 77, and for this one Control Alt Enter, Control Alt Enter. Okay, this PII-F1 is 82, and for this one, this is 77, and this 82. Yeah, this is also 82, and this is 77. I think I run several times, then it's just okay. This is 71, so this is NER English. Okay, this is 79, and this is 73, and this is 72. Okay. Oh, this is 82. So it seems it is 81. This is 82, and the model is English Core WebLG, and this one is also good. Is NER English onto Notes Large. This one is also good. Yeah, there are 2 or 3 files we couldn't run because of the data issue. So I will figure this out, and when I get the data, I will rerun the benchmark. Okay, so So this is for today's live broadcasting. So I will end up here, and thank you for watching. See you next time.